Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Here, which is called Adem. So we're gonna head down this little circle. So I don't know, I can't remember if the dog is, which one it was down. So we'll find, but I'm pretty sure the dog is down there. So we're gonna be very careful not to arouse the dog. Walkable homes are inside. So I think this is the one with the dog. Okay, so I'm going to start out at this St. Dominic's Church, which is right here. And what I'm going to be doing is, I'm not going to go into this church at the moment, but I'm going to show you where I am going to go. And what I'm going to do is go all the way down and just go down this little alley following this little street right here. But actually our focus is going to be these little patios that are way down there. And they're kind of cool looking patios. And they're in that little alley straight down that way. But we're going to start here just to kind of give you a reference to how to get to them. So stay tuned for this little patio part of Macau. And we're going to head down that way. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So yep, we're starting at St. Dominic's and we're going to go all the way down to this little patio down here. And I'm going to label the street as the Patio, even though you're going to get some other streets in here like Soriano Lane. And we started at the St. Dominic's Church. We're going to be walking by a marketplace, so those are little marketplace streets down that way. There's St. Dominic's East Road, South Road, North. I think there's 3 of them. I forget which directions. Oeste, Sur, Norte, North, South. So anyways, those are down that way. This marketplace to St. Dominic's area. But what we're going to be doing is going, there's a police guarding traffic here. We're going to be going down these little alleys. And our target street's going to be down here. And there's 2 of them. So they're right down that way. So let's just see if we can navigate okay. So somehow we have to cross that street right here. So I think we have to get across and then get into that space. So I think we'll just wait until these traffic goes down. The green building over there is called Hotel Central. And that's that green building straight that way. There's a supermercado right here, supermarket. And now we're gonna go down this Baco's Lane. So we're gonna navigate down this way to get to where we're gonna go, to this little patio area. So we started over there. It's St. Dominic's. And we are going to go navigate down. And now we're on Baco's Lane. And there's all kinds of interesting stuff down here, including a little alley, which I think is called Baco's. I filmed it recently. But when I filmed it recently, all of a sudden I was surprised because I saw this these 2 little patios that I didn't know were down here. So today's focus is actually going to be those. And the patios are, one of them I have to be careful because there's a dog. So today we're going to tread carefully. And this is one of them right here. Patio du Adem. And there's another patio right where the other red spot is. So there's two patios in here. So I'm gonna come back to this one in a moment. And then the other patio. And these patios makes Macau really cool, to be honest. They're like little residential spots, pedestrian friendly, walkable, homes are inside. So I think this is the one with the dog. So this is called a Patio de Mestre. And then we have the Patio do Adem down that way. So we're gonna go into this one, Mestre. As soon as we go in, we got Guan Yu. I believe that's called Guan Yu, the guy with the red face. And that one, it's Guan Yin right there. Oh, I think that's the, I don't want to say. Tell me what that is. I don't want to say because I don't want to be wrong. But there was one that has like a particular face. Anyways, these patios are super cool because they got lots of cool stuff like that. I'm gonna try not to get down. There's the dog. So I'm gonna not go down that way, but this I think goes in a circle. But I'm pretty sure the dog is down there. So we're gonna be very careful not to arouse the dog. Patio goes down that way. The dog is, okay, the dog is inside. Okay, be quiet then. The dog must be sleeping. So Mestre comes all the way down here. Unless the dog is in Patio do Adem. Somebody's bike. So this is Patio de Mestre. And I think the dog is right in that corner. Maybe right there. So I'm going to be careful. But that just goes in a little circle. Maybe the dog is on a dame. I don't know. Okay, so this is a Mestre. If you know what that says in Chinese, please let me know. Okay, so this is part of this alley, which I believe is Pecos. Then we have another one that we're gonna do, this other red one, which is called a Dame. So I believe we're in Pecos Lane. And we're gonna be going towards this one right here, which is called a Dame. So we're gonna head down this little circle. So I don't know, I can't remember if the dog is, which one it was down. So we'll find out quickly here. I think it was the other one though. This might be the short one. Stairwells. Is there a dog? Oh, that's the end of the street. So actually a Dame is very small, so that's actually Patio do Adem. So that's actually it. That's Patio do Adem. So actually the Mestre was the big one, and that dog was in that corner. But luckily it wasn't aroused today. And so yeah, this is this little Becca lane. If we went all the way down here further, we would eventually go all the way down to the waterfront, Pond 16. But actually that's all we're gonna do. So this would, I guess what we're gonna do is just end it right on our patio. So our little patio is right there. And so we saw this Patio do Adem, and we saw Patio do Mestre, that other red one down that way. And that'll be our target street right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.